Hi guys, in this video we are discussing how to create an EQ distance dimension in Revit. Make a dimension like this using align method in Revit. Escaping from the dimension, you can find the equal symbol. Click on the equal symbol. Now you can see the object is centered and has equal distance from both sides. Next, we are discussing basic dimensioning methods in Revit. Dimensions show measurements in a project. Go to Annotation tab and select the dimension methods from the Dimension panel. First, we add a linear dimension to a drawing to measure between 2 points. Next, place aligned dimensions between two or more parallel references. Third one is angular dimension. It is used to measure the angle between multiple reference points sharing a common intersection. Next, I add a radial and diameter dimensions to a drawing to measure the radius and the diameter of an arc. Finally, I show you the spot elevation tool in Revit. Spot elevations are used to indicate how much the points are higher than their surroundings. Finally, in this video, we are discussing the area color scheme in Revit. Color schemes are useful for graphically illustrating categories of spaces. Before using color schemes, you must have rooms or area defined in the project. For defined rooms, go to Architecture tab and select Room option from Room and Area panel. After that, select the Color Scheme option from the same panel. Then select Room and Area option from the Category and Color Box drop-down menu. Click OK. Choose the color scheme in the property box that we created. Now we can see that colors are applied to each room respectively. Finally, we place a colorful legend from Annotation tab to describe the color scheme used in the view. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe.